Here we are in Uranga Wetlands in the small town of Uranga on the north coast of New South Wales, just 15 minutes south of Coffs Harbour. The New South Wales Soil Conservation Service prides themselves in being industry leaders in conservation earthworks, environmental consulting and remediation contracting. The site was number one on the EPA's remediation hit list. The local community were concerned about the contamination, being arsenic and antimony, lead and mercury. And the Soil Conservation Service were brought in by New South Wales Crown Lands, the owners of the site, to remediate it back to a clean environment. When the Soil Conservation Service came to this site, it was isolated from the community, being behind a security fence. There was contamination right through the wetland, and the downstream environment was impacted with poor water quality. This project was very complex. It involved isolating water, extracting contamination from a 6-hectare footprint and containing it in the 30,000 cube containment cell upslope and away from the flood zone. This project took a toxic wasteland and made it into a newly rehabilitated wetland. It had strong environmental values, and that was really epitomised by the use of 2.5 million plastic bags in this recycled decking, and the community are very, very much in support of having strong environmental values on this project. The design of the boardwalk basically had to achieve durability and strength and also be aesthetically pleasing. So we looked at a whole variety of products, and what we wanted was Australian, we wanted recycled, and we wanted something that was durable and looked really good. And the contractors were quite concerned about using a product like recycled plastic as compared to wood, and it was only a matter of minutes before they realised how easy this product was to work with. It drilled easily, it fastened easily, you could cut it with a cut-off saw. It was easy. So we extended the use of recycled plastic to not only the decking, but we used bollards right across the front of the property and wheel stops, all made from the same recycled product. The community response to this boardwalk and the greater remediation was very, very positive. They saw a site that had no access and had toxic signs in front of it, now turned into a really usable recreational area.